Hello and welcome to the world of Illumis. We are so excited that you are here with us and we appreciate your reasons for buying this oil. This is an amazing plant-based oil that helps to bring the body back into balance, alleviate stress, and it really addresses hormonal imbalance within the female body. For dosage, we recommend taking 2 to 3 drops underneath the tongue to start with, and then you can build that up gradually to 25 drops. Take your time and find what feels really good for you and your body. Any questions? We love to hear from you. Please feel free to email us. And there is more information on our website about the specific ingredients of this oil and what it's really, really good for. We hope you love it as much as we do.